Hello and welcome to another update video about DOT. On the Polkadot chart, price continues to move in this descending price channel. We only talked about it yesterday. I explained to you that I consider this as an ending diagonal. So still tracking here as a wave 5 and no low in place yet. Okay, no low in place. So still expecting currently lower prices. That also has been the message over recent days, given that we had here a resistance area on the chart and that a break above resistance would have been needed to consider a more lasting low in place on the DOT chart. But already the break below $4.50 was a hint, a warning that we would get much lower and another low would be anticipated. Yeah, and this was a potential short trade area. Someone commented in the last video, below the last video, and asked, okay, why I never talk about short trades or something, or more bearish scenarios. Well, I talked about the bearish scenario in previous updates. I also talked about the resistance area here on the chart, and like this would be an area where a bullish reaction could happen. This is an area where a bearish reaction would be expected, right? So these are areas that could be used for short trading, and this potentially for long, but I would be extremely careful just with altcoins just to buy blindly into support areas until we have a first 5-wave move up and followed by a 3-wave move down, which would give us an indication that price is bottomed. So just be careful there. Otherwise, it's just catching the falling knife. Okay, so no, this can be used both ways, of course, but if you trade this short or long, that's entirely up to you. The advantage of these charts is they are self-guided. They show the relevant trend reversal areas, resistance, and also support. Okay, now we are looking currently here. I added, by the way, I think after the last video for channel members, I added a lower degree wave count and wanted to take you through that in this video. So the idea is that within this ending diagonal, which is a wave 5, price is expected to move in 5 waves. So within this 5th wave, we are dealing most likely with a WXY structure. And in this WXY structure, we are most likely in the Y wave because the wave W was done in an ABC structure. So WXY is a complex corrective Elliott wave structure, which means that each of the subwaves are 3 waves, always, not always, but typically considered ABC structures. So this was likely an ABC, this here was likely an ABC, and it reacted to the 38.2 retracement here. And the move down is expected to be an ABC structure in a Y wave. So it seems like the A wave is done of that ABC structure. We might now be moving higher in a B wave, and then a C wave to the downside should follow. Now, I'm going to make this area small now. This was our resistance area for the X wave. I don't want to take it off the chart yet. It might still be relevant. But the idea is now, okay, if we are in a B wave, what would be the standard resistance area for wave B? So again, we can take the same thing again, right? Looking at this as a resistance area for B wave here, typically B waves between the 78.6 retracement and 50% retracement, so $4.46 to $4.65. In simple words, the focus remains on lower as long as price stays below 465. Above 465, need to consider other options, potentially that prices put a lasting low in place, but I would not really want to confirm that without extended evidence in the current scenario. Yeah, so it is expected for price to go down lower. I identified for you in the last video this sort of support area, target area here between around about $3.45 and $3.86. But bear in mind, this is not an area where we would naturally just expect price to turn around. It is an area to watch. It's an area where price should get to in the current scenario, but we can specify that area even further as soon as we have a B wave top in place. So then we can calculate the C wave target even more precisely. That's my update about DOT at the moment. So I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.